gonna be doing a Pizza Hut mukbang, and we have pizza and Diet Pepsi and some wings, mild wings, buffalo mild wings. So let's pray. God is great and God is good. Let us thank Him for our food. By His hands we all say, give us Lord our daily bread. Amen. Thank you, Lord. Amen. Trying to think. Wing, that, or drink. You know, I'm just gonna drink some to get my mouth moist real quick. Saya. I'm trying to be funny. Yeah. But anyway, me and Saya was watching Valentine's Day, DIY? Yes. Yeah, whatever that was. Guys, you can know, I'm gonna rub anyway. I don't want that, like that, okay? And my toe just got crushed. Yeah. I think it's baked. I like bacon. It's now. So. How do y'all love to eat bacon pizza? Fire. Your fire. That's my assignment to do it every day. And it's just so I read. How many I'm love to eat your crust or not? I don't know what to eat on camera. It takes me a long time to eat my crust. We're flying. You saw the thing said, right? Oh, I'm not trying to get everything before put in the video. You gotta try to taste one of these wings. I haven't tasted Pizza Hut wings in a year. Like, if they have chicken feathers on it, I'm not gonna eat this thing. Chicken feathers? Yeah, I don't like chicken wings. Chicken feathers be on your chicken? Yeah, it be nasty looking. They're like hair sticking up from it. And Pizza Hut too? Yeah, everywhere. Tiny place, Walmart. I'm not going. You can have it. It's not got chicken feathers on it. You gonna do? No. But like, if I see one on one day, I didn't flip. They're not eating no chicken feathers. Oh man, I want the crispy kind. But this is good. Ooh, let's do a yeah. Let's do it be good. I'll be on mama pizza. Oh, let's do a never have I ever. Never have I ever embarrassed myself in front of a crush. Never have I. No, that's not how you do it. I said never have I ever embarrassed myself in front of a crush, and then you say I have or never, like never or I have not. Never have I ever embarrassed myself in front of a crush. I have not. I was playing. I have. I don't know how to play. I embarrass myself in front of God a whole bunch of times.
I don't want no boyfriend. I used to have.
That's gross.
You're right, a big quirk. Who got one?
Not really, but okay. Anyway,
I want to hurt her.
but anyway, never have I ever had a superhero moment, like a slow, like not a superhero moment, but like a slow-mo moment when you walk into school. Stop doing that. That's ugly. When you walk into school and then like the fan come up to your hair, you just walk in slow motion. Like,
I have. I'm stupid.
Leave some Q&A questions down below because me and Sai want to do a Q&A down below.
Guys.
Nuggets. Okay, did I say eat one of these nuggets?
Never have I ever. Let's see. Kissed the boy before.
I have never.
I have.
But yeah, I have. I kissed Jesse and Marvin.
Your mom talking about your okay. I never have I ever kissed my boyfriend before.
I have not.
Like when I was little, I did.
I have never.
Cause it was prom night, right? It was prom night when I did it.
I didn't know they had a queen and a king there, but I have not. Never have I ever cheated on a test.
Cheated. Never. Okay.
No, have you or have not? Or no comment?
I would.
Mine's no comment. I ain't saying nothing.
I ain't saying nothing either. Never have I ever slapped my sister in the face.
I slapped her in the face.
I stabbed her in the face.
I couldn't too. So one day we had.
Me and her was in the fuss, right?
Yeah. We had one day we had to share a bed, and then Sai kept on taking the whole bed is separated right here, and then hold up, I gotta get my hands for this. This part, this is the middle. This is Sai's side. This is my side. So my side, Sai keep putting her feet this way, and then it knocks me off the bed. And I have to wake her up at night, and then sometimes I kick her because she won't wake up, and she catch a whole attitude.
One time we were asleep, I touched the mic by accident, and I was like that. She said, ah! she thought it was something. She thought it was
I thought that was mine. A what pig? I thought I was some kind of animal. Or Marvin, whoever got. I thought that was something. I forgot. Never have I ever ate something that I didn't like to impress someone.
I have. Actually, yesterday.
I haven't.
Ever in your life?
Never.
Never have I ever.
Okay.
Slap my.
Who's always slap on you?
What
more women do?
Never have. No.
Go ahead.
Never have I ever looked ugly in front of my crush. I have. I mean, yeah, in front of my crush. I have. Yes, you.
When? I don't tell you everything, but when? Go ahead, tell me. Tell me. Tell me my ear. Tell me my ear. What? Oh yeah, I showed. Yeah, I remember that. I had an ugly ponytail on my head.
You like the boy?
It was ugly. But, oh, never have I ever stayed up like 2 days straight.
So we
Stayed
got
up 2 days straight.
So
Like, never have I ever stayed up 2 days straight.
Oh.
Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the bell.
Don't forget to leave the questions down below. We love you guys. So, Yeah. Oh, good. Y'all should post notifications, subscribe.
Yeah, so.
Hold. And then, I know that. Anyway, see you later, guys. Bye.